Guys, it's Yons. I am back, and today we are going to be doing an update on FundedNext. So today, this wasn't the day that they launched, but they've been launched for at least a week and a half now. So I'm going to be doing a review and an update on how they look and how everything is going with them after launch. So FundedNext, going onto the website now, as you can see, it looks a lot different than when before it launched. As you can see, if you go on my previous video when I talked about is FundedNext going to be the next flagship killer, you can easily go check that out and you can see the difference. There's a lot more being shown with it now. They talk about how they have a 15% profit share from the demo phase, right? Dedicated account manager, get up to 90% profit share, $4 million scale up plan, and what is FundedNext, right? In here, you'll see that when you're looking at your funded model, you can see that they have a nice layout, which I'm about to go through just now. They have their FundedNext Model 1 evaluation and express, right? And you have to choose the best funded model for you. In here, they tell you the differences, they tell you the prices, how much it is per price, right? The maximum daily loss, the maximum overall loss, minimum trading day, trading leverage, 1 to 100, one-time fee refundable, and get your desired plan right now, get funded, right? You have a chance of also seeing them in USD or in Euro, right? The models, as I'll go through here just now, I just wanted to go through the dashboard first, just to show everyone a better look of FundedNext after launch. So FundedNext, for my first video, that was a paid advertisement, so they did give me a free $15,000 challenge to do with them. As you can see, I already passed the evaluation phase. I just have to do the minimum 10 trading days that is required. After that, I can go and do the second phase of it, which is I think 5% in 60 days. So in here, you can see whether you're a funded trader or you're doing the express or evaluation model of any kind with these guys, this is what the layout is. We'll show you. So my name, Jonathan, obviously, the equity, the bell notification. So yeah, I don't know why this says EVA. That's one thing I didn't understand. So the selected trading account is currently active here. D equals demo, R equals real account, EXP, program evaluate. Oh, so okay, now it makes sense. So I guess so since I'm in the evaluation program, so Eva makes sense. I thought it was an actual woman's name. I don't know how I didn't get that now that I think about it. So 1508. So for the 15K account that they gifted me, I have to get 10%, which I already did. $0 drawdown, 6 trading days. I have to do 10 before I can go and do the second phase of it. Your equity curve, which a lot of funded proprietary traded firms have, right? So I did start at a 15K account. I went down to as low as $14,471.90 before I had a good trade on gold. I think it was a sell, and that literally took me way beyond, and I hit the 10% mark with that one trade. Trading overview, right? You can go to your trading overview. Pretty, like, I like how this looks, to be honest. I just wanted to say that quick. I like how this looks. Everything's like so clear and simple. Nothing hard to find, nothing like hard to understand with this. Everything's just plain, simple, and clear, and in a very neat and ordered fashion. So equity, $16,508.75. Like I said, balance, same thing. Average winning trade, average losing trade, trades I took, lots, average RRR, win rate 86%, right? Profit target, which I told you I already passed. Minimum trading days, I have to do a minimum of 10 trading days, so I'm just gonna enter micro lots for the next upcoming 4 days. So I hit the minimum trading days required. Utilities, so there's a lot of stuff I was not aware that before I made this video, I went through the stuff just so I could understand what I'm going to be talking about. So I didn't realize they have a supply and demand indicator, which I will try out later today. A FundedNext trading journal. Here you can record and review daily trades for better output and for future reference. This can help you to keep track of your success as well as study mistakes when entering or exiting a trade. FundedNext risk calculator. One of the most important tools in a trader's bag is risk management. With a few simple inputs, our risk calculator will help you find the approximate amount of currency units to buy or sell to control your maximum risk per position. Ebook, Make Money in Forex, Trade Like a Pro. I haven't went over that. I will go over that soon though. And risk calculator, setup video with a few simple inputs. Our position size calculator, our lot calculator will help you find the approximate amount of currency units to buy or sell to control your maximum risk per position. A lot of stuff that I haven't seen other proprietary firms offering. So withdraw, obviously, if you want to withdraw with them, which I will go back and check just now, they have a lot more than what's showing here. I think there was another one. They do PayPal as well. So USDT, Bitcoin, I think that's Perfect Money and Bankwire. They have a lot more though, which I will go back and show you guys. Yeah, withdrawable profit, account profit. Like, so when your account's up a certain amount of money, it'll tell you it here. Withdrawable profit, I guess the amount you're allowed to withdraw. They did misspell trading cycle. They put trading cycle. So if you guys are watching this, I think you guys should fix that. Withdraw history. So if you ever had withdrawn with them, it'll show right here. Top up and reset. So this is like one I've seen my Forex funds offer. I think Funded Talent was offering this before something happened with them, and I think they took back a lot of the products that they were offering. But if a trader violates the rules, his account will be suspended. But FundedNext will give him the opportunity, him or her, I think they should change that as well, him or her the opportunity to continue with the program at a discounted price/cost. This re-registration free cost is known as the reset fee, since the trader will be provided with a new account and his trading cycle will be reset. To know more, click. I think this is just our FAQ, so frequently asked questions, where you can go and click and evaluation, express any questions you guys have. You can hit them up. Also, one thing I did forget to go through, which I will go through, is that they also have FundedNext. So if you guys have any questions, you can talk to a dedicated FundedNext telemarketer, or whatever these people would be called, that would help you and be able to be there for you if you guys have any questions. And they're dedicated. I wouldn't say it's account manager, but just someone that's there for you all the time. Billing. So billing, payment method. So okay, so now this one actually shows it more closer. So Perfect Money, Ethereum, Dogecoin, Bitcoin, bank transfer, Litecoin, Perfect Money, Solana, Circle, and Tether. I think these are just the ways you can pay them. I'm not sure. Payment history. So if you ever paid, you'll get charged for that. My plan. So the prices that would show here. So for a 15K account, the price would be $119, which is a good price. Get Funded Express Fund 25K account, $229 if you guys ever want that. 50K account Express Fund, it would be $379 USD. All those prices I have shown are in USD. And 100K account are $699. One thing they did make a mistake as well is they put a comma. I think it should be 100, comma 000, because I'm not gonna lie, like first time reading this, I would have thought it was a million, but it is missing a zero. So obviously I don't think it's a million. Plus every amount was doubling after 15K. So I think they meant to put 100K. News calendar, which I don't see FTMO or any other proprietary trading firm have, is they offer custom news calendar. So you don't. Me usually I go on what do I go on? I think it's investing.com, and I look at their economic calendar. But like if you're just trading with this firm, they have basically all the necessities you need. Like I usually have 2 tabs open. I have the position size calculator from Forex Factory. I can't remember what it's called. Hold on. Position size. Yeah. Oh, my FX book position size calculator. I always have that open. But these guys have that, and now they have a news calendar, which is pretty neat in my opinion. They're also available on the Apple Store and the Google Play Store, right? One thing I also wanted to go through as well is their method of payment that you guys can get paid in. It is, where was it? I remember seeing it around here. 1 to 100 leverage. They are using ASIC named ACAP. That's the broker they're using with. Because of their rock hard and highly performing services, they have been awarded the best global Forex MT4 broker at the Global Forex Awards. And one thing about their broker, I have not had EU. When I was trading EU, there's literally, there's no spread, like 0 pip spread. I don't know, maybe it's because they're new. There's not a lot of people using it. That's why the spread is so low. Another thing as well is that there is literally no slippage. Like when my trade hits stop loss, it literally hits stop loss. Like I don't have no $30 slippage, $40 slippage. I don't have none of those problems. Maybe that could be because there's not a lot of people on their server. I don't know, but I'm just literally speaking on what I've been going through with them. I'm trying to find where. Not the pricing. It was over here before. We are featured. What they're featured in. Reach 4 minute. Okay. Was it here? No. I'm trying to find out where it was. I think it's client area. If it's not this, it's most likely going to be. Yeah, I don't think it's this. It could be dashboard tour. No, it's the same thing. Okay, so I'm not sure where exactly I saw it, but I did see a part where it told me all the ways I could get paid. Um, Hold on, let me check one more time. Home prices. It's not pricing. I don't think it is. So I can't really find that right now. If I do end up finding it, I will go back to it. But they did have, there was a lot of other ways that you can get paid. One was with PayPal. The other was with, could be this. No, these are just links to their YouTube videos that you guys can also check if you guys ever want to. Evaluation Express. So I will go through with this. It could be here actually, now that I think about it. No. I'm not sure exactly where it is. So I'll go back. If I ever do find it, I'll make another video about it. But evaluation model rules 5% daily drawdown. Traders are allowed a maximum of 5% drawdown in a single trading day. Example, if your account starting balance for today is 100K, then 5% of the amount is $5,000. At any point in the day, if the running loss exceeds 5K and account equity goes below 95,000, this will mean that you have violated the daily 5% drawdown rule. 10% overall drawdown. Traders are allowed a maximum of loss of 10% from the initial balance they start with. Example, if your account is starting with $100,000 and 10% of the amount is $10,000, at any point during your assessment, if your account equity reaches 90,000 or below 90,000, this will mean that you have violated the 10% overall loss rule. Note that even if your account reaches $110,000 after a period of time, still your 10% overall loss equity number will remain at $90,000. So at $110,000, your overall room for the loss will be $20,000. Profit target 5 to 10%. Our evaluation model has two assessment phases. In phase 1, you need to hit a 10% target within 4 trading weeks without violating any rules. After successfully completing phase 1, you can start the next phase. In phase 2, you need to hit only a 5% target within 8 trading weeks without violating any rules. Bi-weekly payout. Traders will have to take at least 10 days per month. Nonetheless, if there's a unique scenario where this is not possible for a particular trader / trading style, you can reach out to us. Our team will assess the situation and proceed accordingly, which is pretty cool. It could be here. I was talking about it. I'm not sure where it is. I can't find it, guys. If I do find it, I'll make another video. But that's what it is. But overall, these guys have a pretty clean system, pretty neat and clean system. They have everything here. They are on all social media platforms, from their Twitter, right, to Facebook, to Instagram, to YouTube, right? You can email them, you can live chat them, you can Facebook Messenger them, right? You can enter your email, you can subscribe to stay updated, right? These guys are on all platforms. Yes, they are new, but they are creating a social ground, like I've said in my other video. So all that matters with these guys is really just staying true to their word and following through with what they are offering, right? I'm not going to say any names, but we have seen a lot of prop firms that have offered some things and then fumbled, right? And another word for fumbled is not staying true to their word or to their product and what they're offering with their service, right? But let's see what happens with these guys. But guys, that's all for this video. I thank you guys for watching this video. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll put all the FundedNext links below. Plus, I'll put my links below. If you guys have any questions personally, you can hit me up. I do have a very close relationship with these guys. So if you guys can't get to these guys for any reasons, you can hit me up and I will hit them up for you. So let me know how it goes. But thanks, guys, for watching and have a good trading week.